Hello. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Slow English. Today, I will talk about my name and my family. Please listen carefully. I will speak slowly. My name is Ali. I am 8 years old. I am a young boy. I am from Pakistan. I live with my family. I like to learn English. I am happy to learn English. I have a family. I have a small and happy family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. This is my father. My father is kind and hardworking. He works every day. He helps my family. I respect my father. I love my father. This is my mother. My mother is very kind. She cooks food for us. She takes care of our home. My mother loves me. I love my mother very much. I have one brother. He is younger than me. He likes to play. He likes to smile. We play together. We study together. My family is very important to me. My family makes me happy. We eat together. We talk together. We laugh together. We live in a small house. Our house is warm and peaceful. I feel safe at home. I feel happy at home. I love my family. My family loves me. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.